And exhale down. We're going to do one more cobra. Inhaling up, remembering no pressure on the hands. Exhaling, coming down. And very gently coming back into the moment, stretching the arms up overhead as if awakening from a restful sleep. We're going to gently turn over to our right side, hugging our knees into our chest, and just thanking ourselves for the practice today. Using the strength of the arms to come up into a comfortable seated position. Hands resting on the knees, eyes closed, and just taking notice of how your body feels and what the practice did for you today. And bring your hands to heart center, chin to chest. Namaste. So nice to be able to like brush off all this stuff and the pine needles. Like cobwebs and spiders. I haven't been able to reach it, so it's really nice to be able to reach it and do it and make it look nice. And we can actually open this window now, which this is one of the vinyl windows that we have by the kitchen. I can actually pull this part down if we want some privacy. It's so nice. And there's one more thing that I've been waiting so long to do, and now I can do it, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so here's one of our glass windows right here. Looks into our kitchen. See this sticker? I can take it off now. It's gonna be ugly me taking it off, but I can finally take it off. All the other windows have them as well. We just have never been able to reach them to take them off. And when we installed them, we forgot to take them off. So, put that down for a minute. It's hurting my hand. It's so nice that I'm able to take this stupid sticker off this window. This is quite frustrating. It just started to rain. I got smoke. Does smoke count? I think smoke can show Suki-ban, right? Alright, well, gotta put you away.
In the comments, is it a birdie or is it a shuttlecock?
Woo!
Whoa, that was a good slam.
Caught you off guard. Caught you off guard, mate. Woo!
Oh! She dug it.
Yeah, I'm not good.
I gotta reach over this pile. Ready? Get it! Yes! Oh!
Ooh, cannonball.
Watch this. I'm gonna Roger Federer you. A little sensitivity action. Oh, it worked.
Ooh, hold on, let me take my jacket off.
Okay.
Shit's getting real.
The bear's gonna come too. He's gonna be like, "What the hell is this thing? Is it electrified?" I'll go to the other yurt. See the grunting. Nadal knows what he's doing. 19 Grand Slams. You know. Are we the only couple in a rainforest playing badminton at this moment? Oh, did it make it? Oh.
All right, so we know who the winner is. It's Nicole.
What?
We're gonna turn this off so we can play. Bye, guys. All right, the fun is over. The new Como Rebbe badminton record is...
Are you vlogging my butt right now?
Yeah, you're good.
83.
It's 83.
Which is the same amount of postures as traditional Chen, Tai Chi Chen.
Okay, whatever. Anyway, back to getting the steps done. We're putting in the last step and then we're gonna cross brace it and boom! We got steps.
Right.
You're doing good, babe.
Thanks.
I should probably use the other hole.
Is it huge or if it's just a... No, it's the other one. Box banging.
This side has to go up. 3, 2, 1. Right?
Well, it looks pretty straight to my eye. Be the first to walk up it. Go.
Why are you not with me?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Ooh. No cross bracing, no bolts. It's still pretty good. 3, 2, 1.
Hello to all my treeple.
Tree ball.
Tree people?
Yeah.
There's so many trees, it's like people. Awesome.
No cross bracing, no carriage bolts, and it's still pretty nice, right?
My nice new gloves that I love so much.